Okay, different stats. Ito na, pumiglas na ang Army sa attacks. Blacks, medyo even.
Oh, yun
Kasi-
na naman tayo eh. Yung atake na naman talaga.
yun talaga,
Just
yun
too
talaga
many.
yun.
Just too many attack points coming from the Philippine Army. At ang Meralco, once again, nakukulangan na naman ako sa 10 attack points lang nila dito sa set na naman na to. Kanina ganun din, 10 lang ang na-produce nila. I mean, you have very good attackers in their team. Diba? Ang lalaki rin ng
Hindi
players
naman-
nila. You have your
Oo.
guest player na si Coco Wang. Diba? Nandun din. So, yung siguro malaki lang din yung expectations ko dun
Hindi
sa
nila
mga
maitaas
players
yung
nila.
mataas yung bola kasi, di ba, dinadampan sila eh. Na si Tinasalak at saka marami pa. Kaya...
Nagkakaroon naman ng floor defense eh. It's just that maybe, ito rin ang mga depensa ng Philippine Army. Just so amazing at this point.
In the middle of your picture was Mr. Richard Palu, the president of Sports Vision,
Our bossing here?
and looking like the cool dude that he is, di ba?
Kwento mo nga eh.
Kikwento,
Artra ba?
kikwento ko sa anak mo yan. Mostly recommendations. Anong dapat gawin ng Meralco? Anong suggestion mo? Una nilang remedyohan dito sa third set para umextend ito.
Well, ako, you should give more balls to Wang. Number 1. Pangalawa, kailangan mag-adjust sila kasi basang-basa ng Philippine Army yung mga palo nila.
Medyo na-frustrate na si Wang, hindi siya nabibigyan ng bola. Eh. Nararamdaman
Saka
ko.
kung nabibigyan man siya, hindi yung gusto niya eh. Yung gusto niyang bola. Ito nga, napakataas na oh. Biro mo, middle hit. Pero sobrang taas. Parang open yung pagkabigay.
Remulla steady in the backcourt, in the back row that is, and a free ball given. Miss-hit. Reyes got to
Oh,
it.
Chansa.
Just solid defense. Longest rally. Si Ate, nakipagbangat na doon. Kanglet.
Eto na, nagkagulo na sa loob ng Meralco. But you like seeing that. You like the girls really going at each other and yung depensa din ng floor defense ng Meralco, at least in that last
They
play.
were
there. Oh.
They were there. That's the most important line. Tsaka medyo nasapok si Kinglet eh. Reyes was trying to avoid their bala sa pull eh. Carolino. Nice. Alam mo, yun ang... kung sa drama yan, sa telenovela, ang tag dyan, mga poste. Mga poste mo dyan si Carolino. When you need quick points, smart points. Hindi palakasan to eh.
Yun ang nangyari. Tama ka dyan sa puntong yan. Yan yung gusto ko rin i-point out na itong Philippine Army, sa pagpapanood natin sa first and 2 sets, mukhang sila yung naka-outsmart. Diba? Dun sa
Meralco.
ginagawa ng Meralco. So, sila yung humanap ng paraan paano sila makakascore.
Shakey's, the place to go to for fun family pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. 2-1, 1-2 is serving. Balse, high, out.
Well, ito si Balse, 12 points na dito sa larong to. Gonzaga with 10 and Bautista with 8. Salak with 4. Sa kabila naman, Owano with 8. Wang with 6. Mercado at Morada with 5 apiece.
Carolina is rejected. Gonzaga.
Grabe talaga ang depensa at opensa ng parehong squad.
Another long
Oh.
Regalo. Actually, unopened.
Kainglet was able to dig that.
Balse. Simple. Sabi ni King. Yung malakas ayaw. Simplihan ko na lang kaya.
At saka nung nakita niya na yung kamay ni Wang yun na yung target. Nakita mo, hinigang pa yung bola at doon pinapunta yung palo ni Ging Balse.
You know how much respect all these players have for Ging? You know, about 5 years ago, we had the opening ceremony rehearsal, and she was the one in charge of the autumn sportsmanship. Nung nag-rehearse, yung si Ging ang nagsalita, tumahimik lahat ng maiingay
Ay,
na
iba.
Tumahimik lahat ng maiingay na babae.
Yep, and si Ging,
Siya
meron
yung
kasi
command-
players
command
na
respect
parang
eh.
may,
Ate nila eh.
leader, ganon. Isa si Ging doon.
tumahimik eh.
Tina would be one.
Yeah, I'm sure. Oh, long. Oh, in. Mali na naman basa ni Kaylet. Rexona, antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. And that's disappointing when you don't read it correctly. You have to shake it off eh. Nawala na eh. Ang importante sa volleyball, kung saan natuto ang tao ng move on, palagay ko sa volleyball eh.
Oo. Kailangan
Wow.
mabilis.
Oo. Kalimutan mo na yun.
Kaya sorry na lang yung mga boyfriends na volleyball players, no?
Okay. Had to say it. Remulla ended up in the net there. I wonder why that came about. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Suddenly, lumayo na naman
Rally
itong
point
army.
eh.
Oo. Balse.
Oh, sharp serve!
Aray ko. If you're Meralco, aray ko.
Hindi nakagalaw dun eh. Mga players ng Meralco.
7-2.
Once again, ayun na naman, pero Phil able to handle that one.
Tusok yan, Morada
Ang
yan.
ganda.
Morada has been known for that.
At yung lipad niya was going the other way. Pinalo niya dun sa anggulong. And sa huli na lang siya humarap. Di ba?
Pag gumulo ang buhok,
the right.
ako ang indication na enjoy si Mike, ha? Pagka magulo ang buhok niya. Di ba? Pag ayos na ayos, uy, hindi pa warmed up ito. Salak. Well set for Bunag. They knew what they were gonna do there. Bunag set, inunahan si Tina Salak. Carolina napalusot. Hindi masipahan ni penetrante. 8-3. Army marching forward.